Okay, so we're back and we're talking about Google Calendar. This is an amazing tool so that you can stay organized and communicate with the people in your life. Across the top, you'll see the different formats. You can do it by the day, by the week, or by the month. So let's talk about some of the features of Calendar. So for example, if I wanted to create an event, I can click on here and type in the event, or I can hit edit event and it will take me to where I can put in an event. If I want to hit create an event and I don't have a specific date in mind, it will default to whatever the date is. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on the 17th and edit the event because it automatically fills in the 17th for me. And I'm going to put chemistry kickstart right here. Kickstart. And it's not an all-day event. It is from 3:30 to 5:30. 3:30 to 5:30. And the location is 3616 Maple Avenue. And I could put a description down there if I wanted to. Notifications, I could add a notification. If I had students, I can put in their email addresses and it would send them an email inviting them to come to my event. If I wanted to remove someone, I could just come back to the guest list and remove them. You can let others see the guest list, or you can keep the guest list private. So once you are done, you want to click save, and it will put it within your calendar. But let's say I accidentally put this on the wrong date. Oh, this was supposed to be Wednesday, not Thursday. I can just click it and drag it to the next square. As soon as my changes are saved, I can just click it and drag it to the next square. And so then it is on the day that I need it to. It's on Wednesday instead of Thursday. So if you want to share your calendar, which you want to share your calendar with your parents, what you do is you would go into share this calendar. Instead of making your calendar public, I would say that specifically you want to put your parents' email addresses in here and give them permission to see all your event details. They can also make changes to events if you give them permission, and make changes and manage. So another really great thing, if you need reminders, every time you put in an event, you want a notification 30 minutes before each event, that's totally fine. Sometimes I need a notification the day before. So one day before. So one day before all my events, they're going to notify me via email. The other good thing on notifications, if you have a lot going on and you want to try to keep track of everything, at the bottom, you can actually have a daily agenda emailed to you at 5 o'clock in the morning. So sometimes that can be useful on really busy days. So I'm going to go back to my calendar now. Oh, you can also remove notifications at any time. And really on the weekends, if you didn't want that 5 a.m. ding in the morning saying that your agenda is free, you can unselect that as well. So this is a really great tool for you to use in order to be organized. So Google Calendar, make sure that you share it. Make sure you share it with responsible people. You can edit, you can change, and you can set up notifications. Also, under My Calendars, you should be able to view multiple calendars. So it says display only this calendar because you're going to probably be seeing a teacher calendar for science, for English, for math, for your language or whatever. You want to keep all of your calendars on one calendar so you see all of the events. And you can subscribe to your teacher's calendar by clicking at the bottom, the subscribe. All right, I think that's it for Google Calendar. Great, awesome tool to organize and communicate.